Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this new 2-Lion steam iron, and I'm also going to be setting it up. So I thought let me share and then let me show you how to set this up. Okay, so let's go. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I got this iron October 2024. Since this is 2025, I got it October, and as at then I got this iron for 50,000 naira. So once you open the box, here is the first thing you're going to see. That's just the way it's packaged. You have this iron base, this blue one, and here is a Teflon foot. I actually bought this Teflon foot too. All right, so if somebody is asking where did I get, I actually got this at Lagos Island, which is like the eco machine sector market. Okay, so that's where I got it. So once you open the box, here is what you are going to have. This is like the container that holds everything together. Okay, and then it also comes with a manual. So and then usually, just like any other person, I will always advise you read the manual before you actually do anything on the iron. Okay, so once you open up the cover, you are going to get something inside of it that looks like this. Everything about your iron is actually packed inside like this. This is like the water holder. This white container you see is what holds the water. Okay, and here we have all of the pipes, the clips, and every other thing that helps you to set up the iron itself. Okay, so now let's just take everything that we need to take. Whatever that we don't need, let's put it aside for now, and let's get to do this setup. Here is the handle of this, because the way this works is like the water is going to be separated and you need to actually hang this somewhere. So that's like the handle, and this is like the cover. It's important that you cover it when there is water inside, and then you hang it up. Okay, so that's how it works. So this is the iron base. You have to place this on it, especially when your iron is in use. All right, this cord that you have with me is the cord that connects the water to the iron itself. We are going to be setting everything up now, and then you are going to see how the setup is quite easy. And then this pipe, this hose is about 2 yards. It's not up to 2 yards like that, sha, but something like that. Okay, so you need it to hang it up. So by the time you hang it up, it will come down, like the water will be able to come down easily. Okay, so this part goes to the water tank. Okay, and then this other part with the joint, you can see that joint, it goes to the iron. Okay, this part now, I'm just going to be fixing it inside of this. You have to like apply pressure, so I'm just applying pressure. This installation or setup is quite easy. So just I'm sure by the time you watch this video, you can even install this in like 5 minutes or less. So just use your hands to like apply pressure very well, so that the hose can actually fit in and then fit in well. So even if after you use the hose to fit properly, you still need to like clip it. Okay, that's like very important, just to be double sure. Okay, just get it down. Like you can see that it was not easy, but I just had to do what I had to do. So now we can now go ahead to like add some water, and then we hang it up. Okay, so now the water is not coming out. You can see there is water inside. All right, so it's important to cover it up. Okay, and then the hose just like this. So that's going to be hanged up, but you're going to be controlling the valve of the water from up there. You can see I've hanged it up there. Okay, so and now I am just going to be using one of the clips to hold that down. Where you fit in the hose, you need one clip there to hold it down. Now we still have a lot of things in the accessory pack that we actually need to use to install. Remember that the pipe, we have not even fit it to the iron yet. Okay, so this is the part that the pipe is going to be connected to. So they covered it with this cap, so just remove this cap and keep it aside. And there's also this like quality control tag that is on it. Just remove them and like put them aside. And then there's also this small nylon. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what it is for. If you know what this is, please drop it in the comment section. Help us, let us know what it is. But in the meantime, I'm going to put it aside. So I'm just going to unwrap the cord and then fit the pipe now. So this point is where the second part of the pipe is going to go. Now this is it. I forgot to actually put the spring because the spring is supposed to enter first, but now I cannot. I tried to pull it out, because once it's in, it's in. And as I was trying, I don't want to damage the pipe, okay? So I just had to put it, and I just had to push it back in and think of what other way. So I realized that there's this joint here, so I just disjoint it and then I put it. So this other part has to go. You can see that curved part, the curved part, not like the funnel part. One part of the spring is curved, the other part is funnel. This part that I'm raising up now is the funnel part, okay? So this has to go to the knob where you connect the pipe to the iron, okay? So I just seal it back, and then now it's time to start clipping. I added one clip to this part, okay? This part that I actually connect the pipe and the iron together. Then I added another clip to this part. This way, this clip now, this second clip will hold the cord and the hose together. Okay, we still have two clips, so we are going to be clipping these two joints. Okay, meanwhile, check that joint. If you see that it's not jointed enough, I don't know if there is a word like that, please push it in. Make sure that the two of them are they come to fit themselves perfectly, okay? And then once you have done this, I just loosen the cord of the iron, and then I use the same clips that I have there to put the iron cord and the hose together, because you want it to become one, so that the cord will not be dangling or the hose will not be dangling itself. So just bring everything together like that. The clips will have two sides, so you will use one side for the hose and one side for the cord. You can see the plug. This plug is very strong and good. So the next thing is for us to plug. But there's a part here I want to quickly read to us. It is in the manual. This is in the operation section of the manual.
This is the iron rest. We have already done that. Then plug into an electric outlet, yes. And then you set the thermal dial and the desired temperature. When the temperature goes up, the iron is ready for you. Press the valve, and then the steam shoots out. So it's there's going to be so much water that's going to come out when you first plug it. So let's do that. Like I said, if you know we took this out of the iron. So if you know what this is meant for, please help us in the comment section. Leave it down in the comment section so we know what to do with it. But in the meantime, we just leave it aside until whoever that knows tells us, okay? So let's keep all of this aside and let's get our iron ready for use.
It's important that the water is hanged up, because you know the way the hose system works. It has to be up so that the water can come down quite easily. So once you turn on the plug, once you have plugged it, you see it come on just like this, and then you have to wait till the light goes off. Remember, we have read this in the manual. We wait till the light goes off, okay? So this is off now, so turn it on to your desired temperature. That's what the manual says, okay? And then you wait till the light goes off. So now we wait. Also, I adjusted this a little bit so that the water that will come out will not be too much or will not be too less, okay? So we are waiting. Once it's ready, the light goes off. Now the light is off. You can see that this iron is ready for use. Now you can see where my thumb is pressing. So that's where the steam is released from. So press that place where my thumb is pressing, and then you are going to see the steam coming out. So I just test this on the ironing table for a moment. Let's just test it a bit, and then I just left it there for a moment, and you can see. So you can see this brown patch that the thing just gave my table. So which means that if you have this blue iron base, you are going to prevent something like this, okay? The good thing about this iron also is that it is a lot heavier than the regular iron, so it tends to give you pressure. So instead of you to use your small iron, then you have to use your clapper to do the trick. So this iron is heavier than the regular iron, so it does the trick that the clapper will do to some extent before the clapper does it, okay? Take a look at how we did the setup again. Make sure that this part is connected like this, okay? And then I'm bringing everything close. Take a look at how close this is. This joint must be jointed, okay? And then you can control the valve from up there. Just look at the way the entire setup of the iron is. Please, once the iron is in use and once the iron is hot, don't forget to use your iron base. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more useful videos like this, okay? So we can turn the iron off right here, and then also don't forget to always turn it off on the main switch when the iron is not in use. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in this next video.